Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos of fashion, travel, lifestyle, travels and a lot more, and today we'll be recreating this look. Not actually this look, we'll be recreating this look. This is a look by Malvika Satlani. She's like the OG. She does such amazing makeup. I've learned a lot of makeup skills from her, and like I wanted to recreate her since so long, and I asked you on Instagram and all of you chose her, so here we are. So this is the look which I will be recreating, and I think I've done a pretty good job, like a decent one at least. So if you want to know what are the products which I have used today and how to achieve this look like in a drugstore manner, because all the products which I've used are drugstore and they all are amazing products, and we have got like such a nice dupe to all those products. Not really dupe, she has also used some of the affordable ones. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. And Malvika, if by any chance you are watching this video, I love you so much and I adore your work. Just keep growing, keep glowing. I look up to you like all the time and I'm hooked to your stories. So let's get started. Hi guys, so let's start with our skin prep first, and for that I'm going to use a toner. So this is the Pilgrim's Red Wine Face Mist and Toner. I will just quickly spritz it all over my face. This just feels so good. It's really hydrating also, and it just feels so good. So after that I'm going to use my favorite product, which you all should be knowing by now, which is the 100% Squalene Serum by Dermaco. So I will be taking like 2-3 drops and apply it all over my face. As it's summer, so the next product which we will be using is the sunscreen. So I'm using the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA++ tinted sunscreen. It's a really good sunscreen. This has a little bit of tint and it does not have any white cast. I personally enjoy using this sunscreen. I just love it. So guys, one last step before we put on our foundation is going to be a primer. So I've been loving the Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer, and this product does the job of 2 products, so that's amazing. I will just take a little bit of this and apply it all over my face. It will not only prime my face, but it will also highlight it. I personally enjoy using this product so much. It gives such a nice shine, and the look we are going for today is a very dewy one. So this is going to help a lot. Next up, we are going to use the foundation, and for this look she has like a very full coverage foundation. So we will be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. It has a great coverage and is affordable and is an amazing foundation. So I'm going to take 1.5 pump. So I just tied my hair because it was getting super hot, and now it's time for our concealer. And for my concealer I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This is Malvika's favorite concealer, and in general also this is a great high coverage concealer, and Malvika's makeup is almost every time it's like super high coverage, so I think we'll achieve that look today. Now I will set my face because I don't want any harsh lines or creases. So for that I'm going to use my Wet n Wild pressed powder and take a fluffy brush and just powder my full face. If you're planning to apply any cream product like any cream contour or blush, then do not powder your face yet. Apply all the cream products on your face and then go with the powder, because once your face is powdered, it's very difficult for you to blend in all your cream products. So it just makes sense to apply all the cream products once and then go with the powder and just, In this look, Malvika does not have like a heavy contour. Instead, she has like a nice bronzed face. For that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. This bronzer I actually got on her recommendation only, and today I'm recreating one of her looks and I'm using this bronzer. So that's yay! For the blush, she has like a very nice peachy glow on her face, and for my peach blush I'm going to use the Wet n Wild peach blush in the shade Mellow Wine. She has like very less blush, so we'll try to do the bare minimum on our face today. Okay, so I'm done with my base and now it's time for my eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. Okay guys, so getting the base right is like still okay I feel, but getting the eyeshadow right is the actual thing which will tell ki have we actually recreated her look or not. So now the challenge begins, and for my eyeshadow the palette I'm going to use is the Lakme Absolute in the shade in the variant Pink Paradise, and it has almost all those shades which she have used. Like she has used a nice lavender and she has used some browns, like I think these three shades would do the brown, and this is the lavender shade she's used. So I'm pretty nervous for the eyeshadow, but anyways, let's get started. So I'm starting with this light peach shade right here. I'm just applying this all over my lid, and now to deepen the crease a little, I'm gonna use this mauvey pink shade. I'm taking the peach shade again and just going a little bit into my crease. I think the eyeshadow looks great, and it's just the lavender color which will change the game. So for the lavender shade, I'm gonna use this lavender color right here, and I will just go with a flat brush and just go in small strokes and just try to blend it. I'm going in super small strokes and not like, making a proper line. I'm blending it because otherwise it will be a cut crease, and we are not looking for a cut crease here. Now I'm going back with the brush I used for the pink shadow. I'm not picking up any color. I'm just going to blend the harsh lines. Now I think my eyeshadow looks great, and now it's time for the lower lashes. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to mix this pink and this peach right here, and we'll just apply this on my lower lash line. We are applying this eyeshadow only on the outer half, not on the full lower lash line. I think this eyeshadow looks great, and she does not have an eyeliner. Instead, what she has is like a very nice black eyeshadow ka eyeliner. So for that, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow. This is a palette I got. I don't remember from where, but this does have a black eyeshadow. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use a flat angular brush, and I'm going to just make a little wing eyeliner. I think this little bit of a liner has made a lot of difference. I think we're done with the eyeliner, and for a change, Malvika does not have any false lashes, and she had like a very nice coat of mascara. And for my mascara today, I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic. This is actually a great mascara. It gives a nice coverage in one coat, but if you double coat it, it just looks amazing and bomb. So I'm gonna do double coats of this mascara today. As you can see, it has made like a lot of difference in just one coat, and abhi socho do coats mein kya hal hoga. You can see, right, this eye has one coat of mascara and this has two, and there's a lot of difference. Now I think we're quite done with the makeup. We just have to apply a highlighter and the lipstick. So before that, I'm gonna apply a makeup fixer, and you can use any makeup fixer, but I really like to use my toners also as makeup fixers because they do quite a similar job. So I'm gonna spritz the same toner we used earlier. Now I'm going back with my beauty sponge and just, blending everything in. So guys, it's time for the lipstick, and for that she has applied like a very nice peachy brown shade. So I have this one from Chambord. It's in the shade 401 and I think it will be quite a similar match. So let's apply this and we'll apply another lipstick if needed. I'm gonna let this shade dry a little and then see if I wanna mix any other shade or not. So guys, my lipstick has dried down and it looks amazing with this look, to be honest, but she has like a little bit more of a browner lipstick. So I think I'm gonna add the Wake Up Makeup by Nykaa. It's a light brown shade, so I think after adding this it will be the perfect shade. So I think I'm gonna go with this lipstick only. Now it's time for the highlighter. So for my highlighter today, I'm gonna use the Lakme Absolute Moonlit, and I'm only going to use the lighter shade because she has like a very nice rose gold highlighter going on. So I'm gonna take the lighter shade and just apply it all over my face. Like not all over, but all the places we need the highlighter. This is so pigmented. Oh my god, can you see the highlight? It looks great. I think we are done. Now let me open my hair and then let's compare. That rhymed, didn't it? So guys, that was it for this video. I personally love the look we have came up with and I am in love. I hope you guys are in too. And let me know in the comments how did you like my recreation and rate it out of 10 please you guys. And I would love to hear your feedback because that's really important. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'll see you guys in another video super soon. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye bye.